Hello, my teacher. I am Gladys Olivella. I am 29 years old. I am Colombian. I live in the city of Valledupar with with my mother and my son. I am business administration student. I really like reading my book, but I don't like mm, reading up early. The last trip I did was to Santa Marta for a weekend. We went to the birthday of aunt of my boyfriend. I really enjoyed this trip. I am have great time. The next time I'm going to travel is to Medellin to visit my new niece. I am going to buy her many gifts and I going to pamper her a lot. I am also going to visit Guatapé, which is a very beautiful and tourist place in the region. Meeting my family again fills me with joy. Thank you.